This is the new Skyline 200 GTT with high-power, fuel-efficient, lightweight, turbocharged gasoline engine. It's got a Skyline badge on the back and an Infiniti logo at the front. The engine powering it is an inline 4, 2-liter with double overhead cams and a turbo. The horsepower is around 208. The car comes in 4 configurations. We have 2-liter engine, 2.5-liter engine, 3-liter engine and 3.5-liter V6 engine. And today we are going to review the 2-liter engine. The car comes with everything that you need as standard, such as we have active cruise control, automatic LED headlights, 360 degrees camera and parking sensors, heated seats, satellite navigation, Bluetooth audio, keyless entry and start, blind spot assist, lane departure warning and noise control. However, the car lacks the rain sensing wipers. With the adoption of idling stop, direct injection, variable valve timing, electro-hydraulic power steering and charging control, the new Skyline 200 GTT achieves a fuel economy of around 10.6 kilometers per liter of gasoline. The interior of the car is great. There are 2 main screens dominating the center console. The top screen is used exclusively for satellite navigation, which is clear and easy to use. The split screen setup means the introductions are easy to read. The top screen is controlled via the rotary behind the gear stick. However, it's mainly for zooming in and zooming out. The lower screen is basically a touchscreen tablet. It's got the climate control, phone control, media control system, satellite navigation inputs and other settings. It makes sense to have the most important feature, which is the satellite navigation with a dedicated screen at all times. That means you can play around with the climate control and audio functions without losing the satellite navigation screen. The car has electro-hydraulic power steering, which delivers a naturally smooth steering feel. The advantage of electro-hydraulic power steering is the improved comfort. When maneuvering at low speed, the steering is light to handle, but at high speeds, the steering is firm. This enhances overall fuel economy as the power uptake adjusts as required. There's a positive with this system. It's fantastically easy to steer the car around town at low speeds. There is little to no effort required to move around cities and tight spaces. The seats are superb. They're trimmed in soft leather. They're very comfortable and have every sort of adjustments available. Most of the materials used in terms of making the seats are up to standard. The car's memory seats, you can set and run in memory too, depending on how comfortable you will be. The passenger space inside feels more comfortable and spacious. Rear passengers will find this enough headroom and legroom, but only if there are 2 of them in the back. It is particularly uncomfortable for the middle passenger because the transmission tunnel passes right below the middle back seat, making the seat to be raised up. It's not even a seat, but it's raised up and very uncomfortable for the middle passenger. So it should be left for emergency cases only. The car is fitted with optional 16-speaker Bose sound system, which is very nice and beautiful. Examples of direct competition, we have Mercedes-Benz C200, Lexus IS 200T, Honda Accord Hybrid EX, Hyundai Sonata Elite, Audi A4 2.0 TFSI, Jaguar XC 2.0T, Volvo S60 T5, BMW 320i, BMW 420i, Volkswagen Passat 1.8T. In terms of fuel consumption, the Infiniti proved to be quite economical for a car this size and weight. It is averaging around 10.7 kilometers per liter. However, during my driving experience, this small 2-liter turbo isn't as economical as it sounds. The emergency braking system is part of Skyline's standard safety feature. Other safety features include lane departure warning with steering assist, automatic high beam headlights and adaptive cruise control, a backup camera, and a blind spot warning system with rear cross traffic alert are all available. The car's got a long wheelbase, size 17 tires with Harley rims. This is a bit long compared to its rivals like the Fuga, Nissan Crown, etc. The car has got very beautiful curves, giving it a sporty appearance. The stability of the car is very good, and the creases and line, especially at the front, give it an athletic and purposeful look. And the dual exhaust at the back give the car the sporty aspirations. There are several reasons for picking this car over its rivals. First thing is the unique design, the comfort, refinement, and the value for the money. It's quite economical in terms of fuel consumption and all that. It's very stable. It's got very nice security features. You can pick it over its rivals. Of course, they've been in the industry for quite some time, so they know the art of developing the car. You can give us your thoughts about the car in terms of comfort, interior design, performance, value for the money, exterior styling, and reliability down in the comment section. Thank you. Like and subscribe.